Good day, everybody. If today is your first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome to my channel. My people, my people. Una do. I hope everybody dey okay. Una girl don't come with another beautiful gist. This one, it concern everybody. As everything for this channel, they always they concern everybody. No one is left out. Hey, my people. Today matter be saying how you go tell love yourself, as in love yourself, treat yourself well before you go dey invest on other people. First of all, invest on yourself, because if you no treat yourself well, if you no love yourself well, nobody go real love you the way you are supposed to do to yourself. Nobody go love you better than you loving yourself. See, my people, this word e no balance. Everybody don't know say e no balance. If you notice, people when they don't dey okay, now people they like to support where we. People when never to dey okay like that, and hardly before you see person will just say, okay, may I show you how it be? May I show you how the thing they be? Now, when you don't give yourself, as in when you don't invest on yourself, when people don't see say the investment won't start to dey pay, before they go come say, okay, may I join you? Before they go come say, you dey very, very important. Before they go come see the capacity in you, now make me say, make me come talk this video. How you go dey? You no go green love yourself. You dey expect say na only the love when they give you for outside, as in your partner or your family member or your friends, when they say I love you, then you go feel loved. No, things don't change. Nobody won't invest on another person again. Now make me say, may I come tell una jejeje, may una suffer the love una self. Give yourself good gift. Bible even talk, learn how to give yourself a good gift. Not they put yourself for the last, as in the remaining one when you don't give people. Now you come, now from the remaining one you can't remember yourself. No, I beg, remember yourself first before you go remember other people. If now you see clothes when you like, when you see say your body like, as in you admire am, find how you go take buy am, give yourself. Now gift to yourself be that one. Remember say na the one when you eat, the one when you wear, na be your own. Every other thing na vanity upon vanity. If wine, good wine, they hungry you, if you never get money today, gather money, put aside, may you take buy that wine, drink, because now yourself, now you do am for. If now shoe, you see shoe for market, you see say you go fit buy am, buy, wear am for yourself. Now yourself you do am for. Remember, now the one when you wear, the one when you eat, now it be your own. Every other one, you go leave am behind. Why you go dey, you stay years for life, you no go even green love yourself. Why you go dey, a day go pass, a whole 24 hours. Many things they happen for 24 hours. It go pass. You no go remember, tell yourself, say, you are beautiful. You dey wait, make people come tell you, say, you fine today. Look mirror, tell yourself, say, you fine. Look mirror, tell yourself, say, you dey intelligent. Look mirror, tell yourself, say, you cannot be left out. Consider yourself important. Yes, so because nobody go do am for you. Nobody go do am for you. Pamper yourself. Give yourself much love. Let your body they feel the love. Let your inner part, your outside, your physical, let everything they feel the love. Love yourself first before you expect other love from people. Wetin me discover be say, most time now wetin no dey there, now you no go see person when he go give you. That thing when money no fit buy, you no go see person when he give you. Like some maybe we dey talk about feelings, we dey talk about emotion, we dey talk about love. Those things no dey there o. You no go gree see person when he go gree do those things for you. Those things no dey cost. You no go gree see person. So na make me say make me come tell people when they wan hear. No expect make people treat you better. Treat you alone you can treat yourself better. Now the treatment now you go fit give yourself the best treatment for this life. Now you go fit encourage yourself. Learn how to encourage yourself before you go dey wait make people come encourage you. Learn how to see the blessings around you before you go wait make people come tell you say you are so blessed. Learn how to give yourself that good treatment. Yes, because now waiting be your own. The one when you just give this your body, now it be your own, my people. I don't say many things as in people they vex. They'll say, since when I dey with you never even tell me say I dey beautiful. Since when I dey with you never even tell me say I dey handsome. Since when I dey with you never even appreciate me. You go wait, you go tire. Appreciate yourself. When people don't say you don't dey appreciate yourself, they go start to dey appreciate you. When people say you don't you come out, you go bold. Stand out. I am beautiful. People go see the beauty in you. When you treat yourself like trash, then go pour the tea for your body. They go pour the tea for your life. Learn how to encourage yourself. Waiting you give out, now people want add join. If you notice, my people they talk say, now the pot when it don't full finish, now people they like to add. The one when they never fetch put you go hard before you see person and say, okay, maybe we just start from scratch. That love when you need to give yourself, now people go look, they love you back. The important thing when you give yourself, now people will see you as important person. Not treat yourself like nobody. Treat yourself like somebody. Every day you wake up, you have to tell yourself, I can do it. Every day you wake up, you have to tell yourself, I am beautiful. Every day you wake up, you have to tell yourself, I am so intelligent. Tell yourself those things. Help yourself. Develop yourself. Invest on yourself. And remember, every other thing is vanity upon vanity. In short, everything na vanity. But the enjoyment when you give yourself, dey important. You get some people that you get one water when they call aqua guiza. I don't know whether people when they for Italy. As in be like saying that the water, now that one be the water when it low pass. Some people will say water na water. Na lie, water no be water for supermarket. So the dear person. Sometimes that one when is still there, so your body need them. Sometimes that one when it's there, even though say now once in a month, even though say now once in a year, December they come, so still buy that one, give yourself. Feel, sit down for top of chair or top of bed. Sit down like big man, like big woman. Drink that water when it's there expensive for market, because those people when they buy those water, they not better pass you. Love yourself, give yourself a good treat. Now say me I can't talk today. My people, I beg make una hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I beg share this video to everybody. Share to your family, your friends, your WhatsApp, everybody when you feel share am to. Share am, I beg. May we gather grow as I first talk. May una not let me big, don't turn to big YouTuber finish before una start to support me. Una support me, nah, I need them. Bye.